This is the Colliseum Tower at the Forum Shops, Las Vegas. That one looks like it's dead.
I got 414 on mine.
These look like they were Westinghouse. Where are you guys going?
68 for me.
68?
And 58 for him.
Or 58?
Mine was 106. Okay. Yeah. Not bad. Look at my. $10,800 steps today so far. Nice. All right, I'm gonna run up and take a shower.
Yeah. 58?
That's you. Shoot me a text when you hear from Todd. All right, man.
60 seconds. Lower.
62?
Going up. 68. Lower.
There you go.
Thank you very much. Appreciate
You
it.
have a good one.
You too.
These are definitely Westinghouse. That looks like a very Westy door truck. Hat indicator does not work.
69. Lower.
Send you down.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's what one of the guest floors look like. See which one we get next. Oh, this one has the original cabs. The other one had a different cab. I like this cab better, actually. Yeah, but that one doesn't work. So we got on a C. This one actually serves a penthouse, but it doesn't work. Get the cabbie now, because they're probably gonna stop. Yep, we did. They're nice cabs. Down? There you go. Yeah, that one doesn't work. See if we can get... We'll go back up, I guess. We'll get a better look at this cab. This there's no indicator there at all. It's not just a blank screen. It's just no indicator. You can't go up there, and you can't go down here. Oh, okay, we're stopping. We'll get off here. This one came back. Yeah, this one's got the new cabs. This one has no numbers, but it's turned on. Yeah, this is what the new cabs look like. Oh, there's an arrow, but there's no number. At least on this one. Fart.
Lobby.
Typical Otis buttons. It's a nice elevator system. Alright, that's it.